Hello everyone! Today I will show you how I mix lace with other fabrics. On my cover up, on the sleeve, were two little holes close to each other. I cut flower applique from pink mesh lace and sew it under that place. To make the cover up look harmonious, it's advisable to sew a symmetrical pattern on the other sleeve. On my velvet pants, I dropped some glue when I was working with it. In this case, make everything look harmonious, mesh lace applique have to be much bigger because size of pants. My boots are so comfortable, but have place where finish has come off. To fix them, I glued lace around the bad spot. I also use lace on woolen products. Sewed leather, polyester cotton.